The purpose of this video is to clarify an aspect of the other TAC videos. The Tabletop Automation Center, or the TAC for short, is a relatively new invention, receiving its U.S. patent in 2022. For this reason, animated videos were created to show how TACs might work in various applications. Since those watching the videos would probably be new to TACs, the animations were made to be easy to follow. Accordingly, the TAC movements were generally shown as relatively slow and happening one at a time. For instance, a device moving along the carriage might be shown as traveling up, then over, and then down. But in an actual situation, such devices would likely move a bit faster, and often as not both vertically and horizontally, simultaneously. Meanwhile, other components might also be moving. In brief, the TAC would be engaged in multi-motor movements. To demonstrate this, here's a video segment showing a gripper moving product items to a work table. Note the solitary movements: forwards, turn, up, over, down, etc. Now we show the same process, but with a TAC employing multiple motor movements, as a TAC might typically use. For instance, note the gripper moves along the hypotenuse, while the magazine and work table are repositioning. The point is, we wouldn't want to give anyone the idea that TACs can only operate in a sequential, step-by-step fashion.